Hi, my name's Tom. Welcome to Cowleys Tech Talk. Today we're going to be discussing nuisance wildlife. Well, generally we're dealing with raccoons, squirrels, and flying squirrels will get inside the house. They're going to be coming in mostly, usually in the fall to winter. They feel the cold just like we do, so you're going to be finding squirrels and raccoons trying to break into your house. They pretty much see it as a large hollowed out tree. Raccoons are very crafty with their hands. They do have thumbs, unlike most animals. They will grab onto a piece of soffitting, rip it down, and they're in. How you can tell is they don't really clean up their mess. So when they make their entranceway, it's usually pretty obvious. Squirrels, on the other hand, they use their teeth. They're very good chewers. They're very strong incisors. They could pretty much chew through just about anything. The flyers, they only need a size of about a quarter to get in. What most likely they're going to do is they're going to find a seam or a crease, a vent in your house that's already started for them and just make it a little bit bigger so they can get through. Static vents, gable vents, attic fans, for example. But the gable vents, a lot of times they're made out of a vinyl material. Once they get weathered after a few years in the sun and the rain, they're going to get brittle. Very, very, very easy for a squirrel to chew through that. Any weak spots, these animals are going to find them. It can get very expensive. The longer you let the animal stay in your attic, it causes thousands of dollars of damage, as well as the diseases that they carry. Raccoon ringworm is one that's found in the droppings, the feces, the scat, so to speak, of raccoons. There's histoplasmosis, which is really horrible if you get it. When a adult female is pregnant, she's going to look to find a safe place to have her kits, and what she is looking for is a spot where she can leave the kits alone so she can feed herself. So the best course of action is to get her in a trap, and once she's in the trap, then you can go ahead and retrieve the kits from the inside. You want to try to keep them together as much as possible. We do have different processes and procedures that we can use. We have positive sets, which we can locate the trap, a two-gated trap right over the access point. So coming or going, it has to go through our trap. The eviction is key. Getting it out of the house and then repairing the damage, obviously. If necessary, depending on how many animals and how much damage there is in the attic there, we can remove all of your insulation, replace it. We have a number of products available. The key is to get that attic sanitized, deodorized, get all of that soil insulation out of there and replace it. You don't even have to have a wildlife issue, and we can actually go in and wildlife proof your house for you with a number of products, and all of our technicians are very skilled in the trade on how to do just that, and all of our work is guaranteed. I started with Cowleys in 2016, April, and it's a great job. I love coming to work every day. I get to meet a lot of different people on the road, and I get to work with my hands, and I get to use my brain. All the wildlife technicians here at Cowleys, including our management, all the way up to the big boss, we're all certified NWCOA technicians, and NWCOA is National Wildlife Control Operators Association. Thank you for tuning in for this month's Tech Talk.